Hi, this is Max, and this week we're going to stick a wiener in a running turbine. I'm not actually going to stick one of my fingers or other finger-shaped parts into a running turbine. What kind of channel do you think this is? But I do want to know what would happen if I did. And that's where the hot dogs come in. They're made of some kind of meat, so I think they'll be pretty accurate stand-ins for the real thing. They're juicier than I thought they were gonna be. Just gonna wipe off my hot dog. I don't want it to stain my desk. Oh. Do I go all the way through? Or just part way? I guess these are kind of like bones. Do I want a boneless hot dog? I think part way. Anyways, let's talk about the turbine a little bit. The turbine we'll be using today has a freewheeling tip speed of 18.6 meters per second. In American, that's 41 miles per hour. And it weighs 84.6 grams. So I think that means it will have about 14 joules of energy stored up while it's spinning. And if we can stop the turbine completely in 17 millimeters, does that mean it could impart 800 newtons? Maybe? I don't know. Let's convert that to freedom units. So 800 newtons is 180 pounds. The blade is 0.33 inches, and the hot dog is 0.62 inches. So 180 pounds divided by 0.2 square inches is, oh no. I think it might hit the hot dog with up to 880 psi, and maybe more because this leading edge is not flat. Someone correct my math down in the comments because I'm positive that's wrong. Just in case my math is close and it does cut the wiener up, I like some nice sized pieces that could go straight into my mac and cheese. So let's quickly figure out how fast we need to throw the wiener. The turbine will be spinning at around 2000 RPM, and there are 3 blades. So that's 6,000 cuts per minute. Divided by 60, that's 100 slices per second. And the wiener looks to be about 12 inches long. And we want half-inch slices. So we want to get 24 slices out of this foot long. So we need to throw this at like 4 feet a second. That's like 3 miles per hour, walking pace. I think we can do that. Does it need knives? No, you're just being crazy now. I think we're ready.
Initiate Wiener Slicer 9000. Starting Wiener Slicer 9000. Maximum RPM achieved. Insert the wiener. Inserting wiener.
Ew. It exploded.
That's what she said!
Well, I guess I can put this back. Interesting result though. I'm not ever putting my fingers in there. If you enjoyed what we did here today, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you've got other things you'd like me to put in my wind tunnel, let me know in the comments. We also run a viewer turbine design challenge that you can submit designs for. Information in the description. Okay, thanks. Bye.